racing just started. We have Capretiosa. Break quickly to start, moving up Royal Academy, and on the outside now is Winshow Lady, then followed over by Snarpa, fully loaded. Next on line is Pedro Penduko, then followed over by Winsong. Backyard Bully comes next. And going along for the first turn, Royal Academy is now fully loaded in the middle. Capretiosa comes next, then followed over by Winshow Lady, Pedro Penduko moving up for the outside. Next on line now is Winsong. Backyard Bully comes next, Don Vito. Next on line is Master Babu. According the acting, Galing Galing comes next. Annual Survey, while Pay to View is racing in 14th. Last 600 meters of the race. We have fully loaded. Now moves up by about 3/4 of a length lead. Royal Academy in second. Capretiosa, Winsong snaking in the middle portion. Snarp comes next. Pedro Penduko, Don Vito. Backyard Bully comes next. Winshow Lady, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have fully loaded by our length. Then here comes Winsong, moving up now on the outside. Capretiosa in the middle portion. We have Winsong moves up. Then here comes Don Vito, one of our long shots down on the inside. Winsong, Backyard Bully now rushing up, and finally it's a close finish. Winsong, Backyard Bully, Don Vito, Capretiosa fully loaded.
Yun, nakita ko na yung kumpletong datingan natin. Meron tayong photo for first muna.
Siyempre.
Photo for first. 12 and a half, ito muna yung quarter times. 12 and a half, 24 and a half, 26, 28 and a half, 131.8. Kung sakasakali, ang photo natin between 8 and 12, mga kabayang Winsong and Backyard Bully. Tumersero si Don Vito, pumang-4, itong si Capretiosa, puman-5, itong si Fully Loaded, at sa inyong pang Super 6, pang-6 natin dyan, numero 5, Royal Academy. Unofficial po yan. Tignan natin sa ating slow-mo replay yung nangyaring karera, which is race number 11, kung saan meron po tayong photo finish for first between 8 and 12.
Ayan.
Winsong,
Winsong.
lakas ng remate
Lakas ng dating ni Backyard Bully.
Backyard Bully. At si Don Vito, dun sa may last 400, medyo sumalalak pa eh.
Wall of Forces na sa harapan eh.
Yan, no? Maaring isang ano pa eh, na
Sige.
baka nakuha eh. Tuloy mo, direct. Yan, Don Vito